Have you ever wondered how you can make money online without having a product of your own or even having a startup capital? Yes, it is possible. You can make money even if you don't have a startup capital, and you can make sales of products even if you don't have products to sell. Those are the things we want to talk about today. How you can make money with other people's products, how you can start up your own business even if you don't have any amount of money to start it up with. It is so lovely. And then if you stay to the end of this video, I will show you a platform that you can join in few seconds. Let's say in few minutes, and then you start making money on that platform. If you would like this, just stick to the end of this video where I introduce you to that company that you can join and start making money instantly. And when I say instantly, immediately you join, you can start making money instantly. So hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Ifoma Joy, and on this channel we talk about business tips, business ideas, how to grow personally, then we spice it up with biblical principles. So if this is your first time of being on this channel, click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so you get my videos whenever I upload them or whenever I go live. So good to have you here. And so like as I was saying, today I want to tell you about a kind of business that you can do even if you have a little startup account amount, or even if you don't have any amount of money to start up. And that's business model is a very good business model. That is the first business model that I started. The first business that I joined was on this model, and I can tell you it will help you grow financially, and not just financially, it is going to help you improve in your learning ability, your ability to comprehend things and understand the things online. This business model is going to bring you into that point where you don't need to scratch your head to make money. So this business program is called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a business model that helps you connect to people or companies that has products that have product that they are selling. Then you sell this product, you connect to them, get if it's a digital marketing company, you connect to them, get a unique link that's is assigned to you personally that helps you sell these people's product and get paid a commission. Now, this is how it works. You don't have a product to sell. These companies have the product, or let's say individuals have this product to sell. Now, what all you need to do is to connect with them, get registered to them, connect to that company, connect to that individual that has already produced this product. Or let's say if it's a digital product like a video training or an audio training or an ebook, these people are experts in the field that has produced or that has made this product ready on their own part. So all you need to do is to connect to these companies, then get people that would need this product. It could be in form of digital product. It could also be handy product that you can handle, right? Then you get people connected to these companies or individuals, letting them know about how those products will help them. Now, if these people you connect to these individuals or companies gets to buy any of this product using just your unique link, or using your connection, if there is no link, using your connection to get this product, you will be paid a commission. Now, you don't need to have the product. They own the product. All you need to do is connect people that need the product, and when they buy, you'll be paid a commission. And then commission ranges between 10% to 100%. There are some of those products you sell and you get 100% of any amount you sell them to your personal self. And some could be 50%, some could be 80%, depending on who created the product, depending on the company or the individual that has the product. Is this not a beautiful business to do? In this business program or this business system, you don't need to own the product. You don't need to stress yourself, rack your brain to create any product, because people, experts in the field, have done the creation already. All you need to do is to become a connector. Then as you connect, you get paid a commission. This business model helps you to sit in your home or lie on your bed and you program this business and it starts working for you. It works in an auto system. You just need to set it up and then you go to bed and this business will start yielding money for you. So it is called affiliate marketing. You affiliate with other companies to get their products sold, and then you get paid a commission. It is a business model that has started over 5 years now and is still working for me. That's why I had to make this video on how you too can become an affiliate marketer. So this is a business model that you need if you don't have money. And some of these companies gives you access to joining that company free of charge, right? All you need to do is get to the products that they sell, help yourself to understand the product and pick the particular niche or the particular aspect of their product that you will be able to market to other people. Then you go out, you search out for those that needs this product, because the product is a solution to somebody's problem. There are so many people with different problems out there. So all you need to do is to understand the problem that you can personally solve, that you can actually work with. Then you pick any of the products that aligns with your ability to comprehend how to get the solution to those people. You pick any of those products or any of those area, or those it could be a digital product, right? And it could also be just a handy product, something that people can handle. Now digital products are product that comes in form of a video training, audio training, or an ebook, right? Ebook that you cannot touch. You read all those things online, you get them, you get the training online. Then there are other products that are not digital products that you can handle. Okay, so affiliate marketing comes in different aspects. Okay, you can go with the digital training, you can go with the digital marketing, and then you can also go with selling handy products. It depends the company you have joined or the particular person you have connected to and the kind of products that they have. Okay, so and we have several of these companies in Nigeria. We have several of them. We have the Expertnia. We have there was a time we have Digistem. I don't know if it's still existing. We also have Ziba. We have Lenoflix and several of them. We also have those that are foreign programs. They are not owned by Nigerians, but Nigerians can also connect to them. Okay, companies like the ClickBanks and Warrior Plus, many of them like that. You can go online and search out for affiliate marketing types. Then you connect to any of them. But one thing is that you need to get someone who is already into any of these companies to help you understand the one that is going to work out well for you, or put you through on how to go about any of them that you want to work with. Okay, so that is it. And like I said at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you about a very good one that just came up, and it is the one I would like you to start up with, because this one doesn't, give you stress. They have done every of their training. Everything you need to know is already in their dashboard. All you need to do is to just sign up with them and get your training on how you can, and their training comes in different ways on how other things you can do in order to make money for yourself. Okay, so you can sign up with this new company now that I just found out. I just signed up with them. You can sign up with them in split of seconds, or let's say in minutes. Before you know it, you have started making money using their system of operation. And this platform is called Nexa Gamez, right? Nexa Gamez. Now Nexa Gamez is all about playing game online and making money for yourself. And then it's also like a system that also helps you to connect other people. Okay, connect other people to them, connect other people to know about them, and then you get paid for it. So it's a beautiful platform to join, because it's easy for anybody. Even if you don't understand anything online, it is going to put you through. It's going to hold your hand. They're going to hold your hands. They have their training down, that no matter how timid it seems like you are to online businesses, you will be able to understand them. Okay, so I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video that will help you understand more about Nexa. So you click on that link, watch the little of their introduction of how they operate and who they are. Okay, because very soon they'll be launching, so it is easier. It will be easier for you to get on board right now easily without spending a dime, except if you want to activate their premium package. Okay, so if you're activating their premium package, it will just take a little from you, but you can actually join the platform free of charge. Okay, so it's a beautiful platform to join and start making money instantly, even if you don't have a startup capital at this present time. Okay, so that is Nexa for you. And so thank you for being here. Thank you. I guess with everything I've said, you've been able to understand what affiliate marketing really means. It's a system, a business model that helps you connect other businesses, and you get paid whenever someone buys their product, or whenever you connect someone and the person joins the company, you get paid a commission for that. So if this video has helped you learn something today, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this video to other of your friends and family that you know needs to learn about this business model. Thank you. See you in my next video, where I get to tell you different businesses you can do in Nigeria, even if you don't have a startup fee. Yes, there is a startup fund. There are many businesses you can do in Nigeria, even if you don't have a startup fund. I have mentioned some in one of my live that I did. You can go to my live videos and watch them. Watch any of those videos that I mentioned, those things that you can do. Just connect. You don't need to, worry yourself, even if you don't have a startup fund to start any business. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you.